What's up, guys? There's a war going on. It's Shedwars. Hello everyone, welcome to Marky Big Smoke. Thanks very much for joining me, really appreciate it. Right, today is the start of something different. Apparently we've been challenged over the pond to see how much produce we can produce from our gardens. So I thought, well, it sounds like a bit of fun. Started off by this bloke over the other side of the pond called Arkansas Woodcutter. Yeah! So the idea is you do 2 videos a month between now and the end of September. Each time you post a video, put the hashtag Shedwars underneath it. Make sure you get 2 videos up before the end of May, by the way. Otherwise you get excluded, you're slammed, you're out of the competition if you don't get 2 done by the end of May. Whoever produces the most produce is the winner. What's this? I got a notification, hang on. It's from my fig tree. My fig tree just produced 10 tons of figs. Oh my God, I'm gonna win this thing. There's 2 teams in the land of the free, home of the brave, USA, called Team Woodcutter and Team Will It Grow. They're gonna be joined by Teamoverthepond. And I'm in Teamoverthepond. Call some of them out, take the mic, have a bit of fun, but most importantly, share what you're doing in your gardens. This is my shed behind me. I'm not going to show you inside because I can't even get in there. This is just a little bit of my garden space where I'm making the most of whatever space I can find. Where we are now is a back alley behind our house, an alleyway which is shared by 2 other streets. Well, 2 streets including mine. I'd like a homestead, let's face it, but I'm going to have to resign myself to the fact I don't think I'm ever going to have a homestead, but I am going to make the best use of the space that I have got. And this back alley, I've made some raised beds. I made a little bench here, which is absolutely brilliant. And when I can sit and have my cup of tea, and I've got some compost bins that I made up. And as you can see, I'm surrounded by potato plants. You want to see potatoes? You want to see potatoes? I'm going to show you potatoes. This is what I wanted to show you actually out here, what we've got here. I've got loads of potatoes. Well, I say loads. I mean, obviously I haven't got a whole field of them, but this is my potato crop this year. So I'm growing my potatoes in bags, not containers. And I'll tell you why I'm doing it in bags. Bags are easy to move around. You've got these lovely handles on the side here, which I can lift this up and move it around if I want to. Start at this end. This is my first early crop of potatoes. This was planted in, oh God, was it beginning of April? So they've been in there about 4 weeks now. So these will be ready mid-June. So in about a month's time, and they'll be lovely, fresh potatoes. Probably won't use them all up, so I'm going to try and store some, keep them for longer. Again, making the most of this space, I've got some peas growing up here. Right, these are my peas. If I can, I'll try and dig out a little clip of me planting the peas in the greenhouse to give them a good start. Now, I'm not an expert gardener, I'm just having a go. So I planted them in 2 rows along here, 2 rows of peas. I've got some netting and they're already starting to climb up the netting. So it'll be those ones up that end first earlies. Then it'll be these ones, second earlies, about a month later. And then these ones will be the main crop in September. So guys, that's my potatoes and my peas. So I hope you enjoyed that little tour of my secret back alley garden. We'll be dropping in on them again later on in the season, probably when I do the harvesting of the first earlies. But yeah, that's my potatoes, 12 bags. That's all I can fit in at the moment with potatoes this year, but fingers crossed. I hope to have a good crop mid-June, first earlies. Come back again soon. Well, I hope you enjoyed that little video. If you did, give me a quick thumbs up and make a couple of comments down below. That'd be most welcome. And yeah, I'm ready for some fun on Shedwars. Okay, I gotta go and make some food. Now, make sure you say what team you're on when you're posting your videos. Call out members of the opposite team, have some fun, and above all, keep it clean, stay safe. Woodcutter out.